हेलो दोस्तों, let's start with next problem. Here they have asked the oldest person, and in order to determine the oldest person, how many statements from these 5 are required to establish who is older. So in this case, what you do, the one who is oldest or older, you write on the right side. So if y is older than x, I will write like this. So y greater than x. So y is older, he is younger or less older. So likewise we will start. So let's start now. A is older than b, so a should be this side, b should be this side. So a is older than b. C and D are of the same age. There is no relationship given between these two and these two, so we will write C and D are of the same age separately. C is equal to D. E is the youngest, so if E is the youngest, we will write towards the left. E is the youngest. Now here F is younger than D, so C is equal to D and F is younger than D, so I will write here, right, towards the left. And F is older than A, so it will come here. So based on this relationship, we are able to establish that D is the oldest here. For that we required this, then this, then this, and last one is this relationship. So we required 4 statements in order to arrive at the conclusion that D is the oldest. Here E is the youngest, but when we are not given this statement, in the rest of the 4 statements we don't find E. Still, based on these 4 statements, we can establish that D is the oldest. So only 4 statements are required, because here nowhere E is involved. E is given only statement. If they provide that there are 6 siblings, etc., or there are 6 friends, and when they give E, then that statement would matter. But here they have not given like there are 6 siblings or 6 friends, etc. These are only the statements. So based on these 4 statements, we can establish that D is the oldest. So there is no need of the statement third, that is E is the youngest. I hope you understand. So answer would be C, only 4.